Hello everyone, this is a break from tradition of my normal videos on the Power platform, and this one is called Who Stole My Bike? Because today I went to a cafe, I locked my bike up, and when I came out the bike had been stolen. Now I live in High Wycombe in the UK, and this is where the fun starts. So we have our criminal. He is just on the right hand side there, moving around a little bit. We'll call him Criminal 1. So he has got a massive set of things to break bolt cutters. That's it. And now we are now introduced to Criminal 2, who I shall be henceforth naming Chicago Bulls, or Chicago for short. Now he's actually got a mask on him at the moment and a cap, so he's really come prepared. Now I will need to pad out a little bit here, because what they're going to do is they are going to work out that they need to go into the area that is just to one side. So I'll pop a little picture on there, and they go and kind of hide in that area for a little bit. So they do that for maybe probably about 30 seconds, because the crime actually takes place at 14:42 and 31 seconds. So they are in that area working out what's going on, and it's quite interesting to see how people are kind of making their way through things. So people came across them and they probably didn't think anything of it at the time, so maybe a chance for a poster for tomorrow. My apologies there, my battery actually went down. So this is a picture of said bike. And I'm going to pad out for a little bit. It's a LaPierre e-zesty. We're still waiting for 31 seconds. So it is an e-bike. It's actually got a lock on it, which is going to be interesting for them. And I've gone lots of places with it. But just keep your eye on the right-hand side there, where you'll just about see some movement. So the little man's creeping away there, and he's got these massive bolt cutters. And then we've got Chicago is just watching on there, and quick as a flash, they are through that in absolutely no time at all. I think we've got a little bit longer to wait. He's probably getting a bit of hand from his friend there, and should be done any second now. Yes, I think the job is complete. He had a little bit of trouble, and he's walking away. And as you can see, those things are pretty tasty. So at this point, Chicago picks up the bike and he then simply rides off with it. As I came out of the front room cafe and found that there was nothing there for me to see, and certainly no way for me to get home. So I then went and tried to report it to the police, and then got on a bus and had to go home. And then I managed actually to get some footage from the Grozic supermarket, who fantastically helped me out in all sorts of ways on the 2 occasions I came down. And we will see whether or not we can actually get these people and bring them to justice, and perhaps get my bike back. That would be nice. Okay, let's hope that this is the one episode that we have of this particular thing. But look, if we manage to find them, I will absolutely tell you about the continuation of this particular case. See you again soon, and make sure that you like and subscribe. Well, probably not to this, in all fairness, because I normally do things about Power Apps, Power Automate and Power BI, and if you do want to see videos about that, then this is the place to go. But for this time, I'm going to sign off and say have a lovely day, and if you are going like somewhere on your bike, make sure you lock it up very well.